What up great people, it's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll show you how to chain a long number of double unders. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So this video is the practical aspect of the video I shared on tips on how to chain up to 100 or more double unders together at ease. So if you want to check out the tips in that video, I will link it up here for you to go check out. So let's come back to this video and do it together. Let me see how many I can chain. Maybe 100, 150 or 200, who knows. Alright, let's get on to it guys. Wow, so that was 150 for you guys. Man, I'm out of breath. So this brings us to the end of this video. Go check out our tips to help you get to this number I've reached in this video. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are still learning to chain a large number of double unders. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please do that. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Man.